Struggling to find customers who bought a specific item in Xero? Stop wasting hours manually digging through invoices. Here's how to do it in 2 minutes flat. So here's the plan. We're going to use a feature called Smart Lists to filter your contacts by what they've purchased. It takes just 11 simple steps, and I promise, once you see how this works, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. All right, start by logging into your Xero account. Nothing fancy here, just get to your dashboard. Now, from that dashboard, go ahead and click on the Contacts menu on the left-hand side. Once you do that, you'll see a few options pop up. Click on All Contacts. This loads up everyone who's ever done business with you, which is the list we want to work with. And here's the cool part. Look for the Smart Lists button near the top of that screen. Click it. Smart Lists is one of those hidden gems in Xero that not enough people know about. But once you get comfortable with it, it becomes your go-to tool for pulling exactly the data you need. No more guessing games. In the drop-down menu that appears, you want to select the option that says, Have purchased an item. This tells Xero, hey, show me customers who have actually bought something specific. Now we get to the filters. For the first drop-down, choose Purchased. This sets the foundation for what we're looking for. For the second drop-down, select Any Item. This might seem a little vague, but don't worry, we're narrowing things down in just a moment. For the third drop-down, pick More Than. This gives us a clean way to set a minimum threshold, like more than 0. Now here's where you really dial it in. In the search criteria box, type in the exact item you're hunting for. Let's say it's a specific type of product or service you sell. Enter the name exactly how it appears in your inventory. Want to be extra precise? You can also set a quantity here, like more than one, so you know they bought multiple times. Once that's set, click the Run Search button. Xero will take a second to crunch the numbers, and then boom, you'll see a clean list of every customer who matches your criteria. Take a moment to scroll through and review those results. Looks good? Perfect. Finally, click Save Search. Give it a clear name, something like Customers Who Bought Product X. This way, next quarter, when you run that same marketing campaign, you don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. Just load up your saved search, and you're done in seconds. And that's it. Seriously. Instead of spending hours cross-referencing invoices and spreadsheets, you now have a repeatable, instant way to zero in on the exact customers you need for your targeted campaigns. Smart Lists really is that powerful when you know how to use it. Give it a try on your own data, and I think you'll be surprised at how much time it saves you.